This is that Pennsylvania House Special Edition Westminster chime wall clock that people I know bought it at an auction for a pretty decent price. I did a video on this once before. The mainspring for the chime side was broken. Sorry, strike side. And I ordered some springs. I never did check my order, and I think Time Saver sent me the wrong ones. However, I did have spare parts out of a movement of mine. I just took the spring out of there. Anyway, I got the thing back in order. It's a Franze Hermle movement, 1982 model. It's a really nice clock. We kind of had a falling out. I don't want to go into that, but her birthday is the same birthday as mine. She's surviving throat cancer. I haven't seen him in over a year. And she, in that year's time frame, she had to have an operation on her throat for throat cancer. And so I have a doctor's appointment in that area Wednesday the 1st. I'm going to have this clock. I'm going to try to sneak it onto their location. I don't want to talk to them. I'd love to talk to her. I don't want to talk to him. But anyway, it's a different subject. I don't want to go into it. So every time I look at this clock, it reminds me of them. I want it out of my house. So I got it up and running, and I'm going to, it didn't have a key. I got a key that I'm giving with it, and wish her happy birthday. She was 70 years old on the 13th. So anyway, it's a beautiful clock. Come on, bone work. It's ticking away. I don't want to go too much into the adjustment of this clock because her husband, he likes messing with things. I gave him a cuckoo clock. It ran for a month at my house. I take it to their house. I set it up for them. It ran the whole time I'm there, but shortly after I leave, the clock quits. And that's because he messes with things that he doesn't know anything about. And so I don't want to waste my time. Currently it's in beat, but I don't want to waste my time putting it in beat. Currently it's level and in beat. But like I said, when I give it to them, they'll put it on the wall, and then he will mess it up. But anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Like I said, I want to get it out of my house, and it's up and running. Give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and may God bless each and every one of you. I want to do one last portion for this video. Dessie, this is for you. I'm going to take the back cover off. You don't need to. The pendulum hangs on this suspension section right here. This section right here is called the crutch. If the clock is not in beat when you hang it on the wall, all you have to do is take it off the wall, stand it up straight up and down so it's level, and then move the crutch slightly to the left or to the right. It is easier to take the pendulum off when you do that, because when you get it in the sweet spot, the crutch will automatically start rocking back and forth. Just like that. When you get it in the sweet spot. And then afterwards, this pendulum bits on here. And so if you are having trouble keeping the clock running, that's what you have to do. I hope you enjoy your birthday present. I love you. God bless. To mention, Dessie, you don't have to take the back cover off. You can access that crutch through this hole. You just grab a hold of it to this hole and push it to the left or to the right. And you can take the pendulum off by accessing the front door. Your hands are small enough that you can reach up in there and take the pendulum off. So you can push the crutch to the left or to the right to get it to automatically start ticking back and forth. I love you. Enjoy your present.